Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Beral Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our lecture number 27 and HW number 26. HW number 26 and topic is exercise 5. Question number 35. Dear student, today our topic is exercise 5, question number 35. Okay, let's exercise 5, question number 35. The sum of the three consecutive natural numbers. You see, consecutive natural numbers. Don't say consecutive odd natural or even natural. Okay, that means normal consecutive natural numbers, and is 24. That means sum of the three consecutive natural number is 24. A number, if the smallest number is x, write down the other two numbers in terms of x. B number, from the given facts determine the three numbers. C number, twice a number y is 4 more than the sum of the obtained smallest and the greatest numbers. Determine the value of y. Okay, look, now solution. A number, if the smallest number is right, the first or the smallest number is x. The second number is what? X plus 1. Okay, and the third number the x plus 1 plus 1. That means increasing here only one number. Suppose first number x, then we add plus 1. Then the third number x plus 1, then again you add 1. Then we get x plus 2. Okay, now you see the question number A. The smallest number is x. Write down the other two numbers in terms of x. That means you have to determine the value. That means you have to determine the other two numbers in terms of x. That means x must be present. Okay, so you write here the answer. Write the answer: x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay, up to this a number is finished. Now I will solve the question number B. You see, from the given facts determine the three numbers. Okay, write from A the first or the smaller number or the smallest number is x. The second number be x plus 1 and the third number be x plus 2. Okay, now the sum of the three consecutive number is 24. Now write, as per question, as per question. That means sum of these three numbers. Look, x plus 1 plus x plus 2. This is equal to what? This is equal to 24. Now you see, now you have to solve this equation. Look, x, 1x, 2x, then another 1x. That means how many x here? 1, 2, 3. Right here 3x plus 2 plus 1. This is equal to what? 3. Right here 3. This is equal to 24. Now you see the 3 is the constant term. So you have to subtract 3 from the both sides. Okay? Right here 3x plus 3 minus 3. Similarly minus 3. You write here subtracting 3 from both sides. Or 3x equal to 3 plus 3 minus 3, then 0. 24 minus 3, this is equal to what? 21. Okay? Now you see here the coefficient of x is 3. Coefficient of x is 3. So you have to divide the both side by 3. Or 3x by 3, 21 by 3. 3 vanish, then x, you divide 21 by 3, then we get 7. Right here dividing by 3 on the both sides. Okay? Now, what is the question? Our question in this number, determine the three numbers. So this is the smallest number. Then we have to determine the second number, and last of all we have to determine the last three number, that means the greatest number. Okay, right? Therefore the first number is x equal to 7. The second number is x plus 1. Okay, look, x equal to 7 plus 1 this is equal to what? 8. And the third number x plus 2, that means x equal to what? 7 plus 2, this is equal to 9. Okay, now write the answer. Write the numbers are The numbers are 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now I will solve C number question. Now I will solve the C number question. Look, you see the C number question. Twice a number y. Twice a number y. That means y. That means a number is y. Then twice. That means 2 times of y. That means 2y is. Now look, 4 more than the sum of the obtained smallest and the greatest number. Okay. So for determine the value of y, we need the value of the smallest number and the greatest number. Okay. Right here C number. You write from B we got, what we got? The smallest number is 7 and the greatest number is 9. Okay, and the greatest number is 9. All right, look, twice a number, that means what? Twice a number y, that means what? 2 into y, that means 2y. Okay, right here, twice a number, right? Twice a number y is what? Twice a number y is 2 into y, that means 2y. Okay, now write as per question, you look, twice a number, that means 2y. Twice a number is 2y, and look, twice of a number is equal to 4 more than the sum of the obtained smallest and the greatest number. That means, yes, student, try to understand, 2y means what? 2y means 4 more than the sum of the obtained smallest and the greatest number. Okay, that means what? That means 7 plus 9, this is the sum, also more than 4, that means this is the 4. Okay, according to the C number question, this condition fulfilled. Okay, now you have to determine the value of y. Look right here, or y equal to what? 7 plus 9, this is equal to what? 16. 16 plus 4. Okay, or y equal to what? 16 plus 4, this is equal to 20. You see here the coefficient of y is 2, so you have to divide the both sides by 2. Right here, 2y by 2, this is equal to 20 by 2. Okay, now right here, dividing and both sides by 2. Okay, 2 and 2 vanish. You divide 20 by 2, then we get 10. Okay, that means the value of y equal to 10 right here. Therefore, the value of y is 10. Okay, this is our required result. Dear student, now I want to talk with you about our HW topic. Okay, look, HW 26 chapter 5 example 11 page 180. Dear student, in example 11 the solution has given properly. Okay, you have to practice from that page, and the page number is 118. Okay, I think this is so much easier than question number 35. Okay, and this is similar to A and B. I hope you understood. Okay, dear student, you have to submit your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you have to collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these HW copies. Dear student, no more today, you have to practice again and again, and you abide by the rules and regulation, and also you abide by your friends. Stay safe, Stay well. See you again.